Everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. It's Friday, feeling a little bit better, but not really great. I'm going to see what I can do on the Gazelle. I'm not going to do the weight bench at all today, because when I do the weight bench, it just affects me a different way, makes me run to the bathroom. So let's get on the Gazelle and see what I can do today. All right, so I did about 25 minutes on the Gazelle, 134 calories, and my stomach started going gurgly from all the movement, action, working stuff around. Your prep for today. Food dehydrator. Yeah, I know it's winter time and everyone's thinking, oh, I don't need a food dehydrator used in winter time. That's when I'm harvesting crops and stuff and everything else. But if you do like some people do, they get overloaded with fresh fruit, vegetables and stuff in the summertime and they freeze it. Well, winter time is a good time to catch up and get stuff dehydrated. So if you don't have a dehydrator, you got a freezer full of vegetables and fruits, now's the time to save space. All right, tonight on Camp Patton Family Compound, we will be talking about electric fences, and no, not the type that you would surround your property with to keep people out. We're talking about the type to keep other type of varmints out, away from your chickens, your garden, and to keep your livestock in. So come check that out. Tomorrow on Survival Saturday here on Gray Man Prepping, the topic is life's hard, woman up. Guys may not like it, the girls are going to love it, and we're going to talk about what things is happening in the world that we're doing to ourselves to make ourselves soft. And then Monday on Camp Patton Family Compound, for the Monday Night Fireside Chat, got Tammy McNeil from Rebel Canners and possibly Mark from Chef Tech 86. We're going to be talking about canning, continually talking about canning here. We're going to talk about canning breads, cakes, and brownies. All right? Hopefully see you there. Remember, stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. And work on an indoor garden, because this winter prices are going to be going high and you don't want to know what's coming.